Hi guys, I just wanted to give you a quick update after about 1 month of intermittent fasting. I've been promising to make some videos about that. I was really enthusiastic at the beginning. And yeah, I was losing quite a lot of weight in the first week, but I think now it was more related to a digestion problem which I had in the first week. So overall, now after 1 month, I'm almost exactly back on the same weight which I had at the beginning. What have I done? I mean, there are several types of intermittent fasting. What I really do is every week I start with Monday with an 18-6 means 18 hours of fasting, 6 uh, hours of eating. So that's usually around dinner time, maybe a snack before, then dinner, and maybe a dessert or something like that. That's it. And then, yeah, so usually 18, I mean, that's the 18 hours of fasting is from Sunday into Monday. So most of the Monday is fasting. So then the Tuesday is normal day. Wednesday, I do the one meal a day. So from Tuesday into Wednesday, I do almost 24 hours of fasting. And yeah, I'm eating Tuesday dinner and Wednesday dinner as well. In the meantime, actually nothing. Then Thursday is off from intermittent fasting, and Friday I do same thing as Monday. I'm doing 18-6, so I'm fasting from Thursday after dinner till about 2 o'clock Friday. So weight loss is not significant with me, and I think I haven't tried crazy to lose weight. I mean, I'm not really heavily overweight, but it would have been nice to lose maybe 10 pounds or so, but maybe I'm on maybe 4 pounds, something like that. The thing is, it's really difficult to not compensate what you have been like. When you do the fasting, 18-6, and then you can start eating at 2 o'clock. And I've been usually eating a lot. I started eating, then a full lunch, late lunch, and maybe a snack after that, and then dinner. And I was so hungry from starving. Um, from intermittent fasting, so I was like overcompensating the thing, so I was maybe even eating more than in total, I mean consuming more calories than without intermittent fasting. So that's really crazy. I didn't expect that. So apart from that, am I still healthy? Yeah. I'm still on the same level. It has not much improved or worsened or something like that regarding a health. I haven't felt any difference, or not, at least not a significant difference. And regarding my shape, I mean, amount of muscles, also the same. What I've been doing, I have been doing some exercises at least every day, which where I've been doing intermittent fasting. So about 1 hour before finishing before breaking the fast. And yeah, so this is what actually is recommended, at least, yeah, but I've seen that it has some really good benefits. And yeah, so, but and it didn't change. Yeah, I would say I have about absolutely same power, same muscle, same. Yeah, it's actually almost impossible to see that I've been intermittent fasting. There's almost no difference from that. So good and bad. I mean, at least no negative side effects, but not as much positive effects as I've been thinking. But I've been doing a lot of research in the meantime about intermittent fasting, and most of the things which I've seen and found and read and whatever seem to be really positive about this thing. So, like overall health improvements, and yeah, it's supposed to keep you younger. I mean, it should activate cell renewal and all these things. And yeah, I mean, I've heard that it has really a big impact on producing stem cells and other things, which usually over time, when you get older, the production of these really healthy and beneficial things, it stops over time. Some of the things you only produce when you're young, and then it stops over time. That makes you actually older. And with the intermittent fasting, it should stop. So even if you don't see something immediately, I think on the long term it should have really a good impact, a really positive impact. I mean, it has been difficult a little bit for me, not too difficult. I mean, the 18-hour fasting is quite okay. I mean, I've felt a hunger. I mean, of course, it's noticeable, but it's not really bad. The one meal a day, that's the really tough thing. I've been struggling with that, but I never broke it, yeah, earlier. So yeah, and I will definitely keep going with that, and I will update you after a couple of months, maybe half a year or year, if I keep going that long. So yeah, this is my experience. I was really hopeful for more, of course, more visible effects. Yeah, it didn't happen. But the thing is, one really interesting thing, what I've been Googling, you probably saw it all the time. I've been Googling for no success with intermittent fasting, and it's hard to find something about that. So even when I was looking for no success, the thing which it brings up is all success. It doesn't show you any hints of no success. Yeah, you see everywhere success stories, losing weight, blah blah blah. Yeah, crazy. So maybe people are not too much reporting when they don't have success, like me. Maybe I'm an exception. I always try to be honest. I mean, when I started to do this video channel, that was really my goal. Even when I get sometimes free stuff to review, which doesn't happen too often, but sometimes it happens. But I still try to give an honest review. And sometimes if I get really bad stuff, I don't do the reviews at all. That happened many times as well. Or when I buy bad things, I will tell you that it was really bad. So I'm trying to be honest as possible, and also about these intermittent fasting. So if I don't have success, I don't have success, and I will let you know. So now it will be. It would be really interesting to learn from you if you are doing same thing, intermittent fasting. So what's your experience? How much success do you have regarding weight or health or other things, so it would be really interesting to talk about these things. Just leave any comment in the feedback area, and I'm really happy to talk about anything, anytime. And yeah, so I hope I still was able to help you a little bit with that. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.